Hello, this is Janelle Brown presenting the tools that students were asked to use in the implementation of my lesson plan for my ITEC 7430 class. Students were asked to identify literal equations that had variables based on the letters in their names, and then solve for that variable, and then also provide a detailed description of what the equation can be used for, either in class or in a real-world situation. So the first and foremost tool that the students used was Google. Many of them only knew a very short list of literal equations, and a lot of them did not have the names or the letters that they needed in order to create their presentations. So they quickly and easily became very accustomed to Googling things like literal equations with the letter R in them and things like that in order to identify different literal equations that they could use. Now, along with that, students were told to view Khan Academy videos before given the project, so that they would be accustomed to and used to solving for specific variables in a literal equation. This is kind of our blended flipped classroom field that we're trying to move into, and they were asked Monday night to view these videos so that whenever they walked in on Tuesday, they would be prepared for the project. So this was one of the specific WEG 2.0 tools they were asked to use. Along with that, in order to save their material, they were asked to use their Google Drives. Our school provides every student with a school email address based on their student ID, and in turn they also get a Google Drive account, not connected to their Gmail account in any way. So students were asked to save their presentations in Google Drive, and many students chose to actually use the Google Slides application within Google Drive in order to create their PowerPoint presentations. This is an example of a student who actually did that. She created her presentation through Google Drive using Google Slides and was easily able to send me the, share the presentation with me through my email address. So that was very simple and easy for her to do. Some things that I would like to probably reflect on, improve on for the future would be I would like to add a works cited page to their presentation as far as the rubric goes. They have solving equations, the very easy descriptions of what they needed to do, and creativity and work ethic. I do believe that them providing a works cited as to what exact Web 2.0 tools they used would be very helpful for me to make sure that they're actually using what they're doing, besides me having to just continuously walk around, facilitate, and answer questions as I needed. Along with that, I do believe the students use this presentation to become better accustomed with their Google Drive accounts and Google Slides. They've been using Khan Academy videos, YouTube videos, things like that for a while now, because that's what I use on my website to kind of create a more flipped classroom type feel where they're actually able to access links and videos to help them outside of the classroom that they're working. So another thing that I would like to implement would be more of a reflection piece on their part, creating a blog part to the presentation so that they can blog with each other about what letters, what equations they're using for what letters, and what exactly they feel could help improve the project, what they liked about it, what they disliked, things like that. So all of these things will be implemented in the next time that I do this project. But since this was the first time, I do feel like the students were able to work on literal equations, solving for a variable, and it was more applicable to what they like and what they're able to do, and that sort of thing. So hopefully this will only get better in the years to come. Thank you very much.